Hello student, welcome to Parth Phonic classes. Today we will learn about O vowel words. The sound of O is O. So let's start. O, D, odd. N, O, D, nod. P, O, D, pod. R, O, D, rod. O, G, og. D, O, G, dog. J, O, G, jog. L, O, G, log. F, O, G, fog. O, P, op. H, O, P, hop. M, O, P, mop. T, O, P, top. P, O, P, pop. O, T, ot. K, O, T, cot. H, O, T, hot. P, O, T, pot. D, O, T, dot. Ox, ox. B, ox, box. F, ox, fox. P, ox, pox. Ox, ox. O, B, ob. K, O, B, cob. J, O, B, job. L, O, B, lob. R, O, B, rob. Okay student, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.